Welcome to the vibrant state of Iowa. Known for its sprawling fields, historic bridges, and small-town charm, Iowa also boasts some of the most breathtaking state parks in the region. Get ready to embark on a journey to discover the top 10 Iowa state parks. From hiking trails that wind through forests to prairies teeming with wildflowers, Iowa state parks offer you the chance to immerse yourself in the great outdoors, surrounded by beauty at every turn. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or just looking to relax and unwind, Iowa state parks have something for everyone. With over 80 state parks to choose from, we've carefully curated a list of the top 10 parks you won't want to miss. So get your camera and your hiking boots ready, and let's dive into the natural wonders of Iowa. 10. Backbone State Park. First on the list is Backbone State Park, Iowa's first state park. You'll find breathtaking new levels of adventure from its famous Devil's Backbone formation to its 21-mile multi-use trail system perfect for hiking, rock climbing, and more. The park is also an angler's paradise, with some of the best trout streams in Iowa to fish in. You can also take your boat out onto the water if you prefer. And if you're in the mood to take it slow, there are camping grounds available for you to stay the night and unwind amidst the beauty of the park. But one of the most spectacular things about Backbone State Park is the view. With its challenging trails and diverse landscapes, you'll find no shortage of magnificent views. 9. Big Creek State Park. Looking for a fun-filled family getaway? Want to be surrounded by nature while still being close to the city? Then look no further than Big Creek State Park, located just 20 miles from Des Moines in Polk County, Iowa. The park centers around Big Creek Lake, the largest beach in the state park system. Here you can swim, sunbathe, or even go fishing. You can rent boats, kayaks, paddleboards, pontoon boats, even bikes. There's plenty to explore. If you're looking to explore the park grounds, check out the 27-mile Neil Smith Trail that leads all the way from the beach through to Des Moines. 8. Lake MACBRIDE State Park. Do you want to explore the many facets of nature, including incredible waterfalls in Iowa? Then you don't want to miss Lake MACBRIDE State Park. After all, it's named after Thomas McBride, the father of Iowa conservation. Whether you're looking for a challenging or leisurely hike, you'll be amazed by the multi-use trails around the lake. Don't forget to bring your kayak, or rent one, and glide through the crystal clear waters. Book a camping spot to truly connect with nature, light a fire, and enjoy the surroundings. If you visit during winter, you can always try cross-country skiing or snowmobiling. The possibilities are endless. 7. Ledges State Park. Get ready for a thrilling adventure in the great outdoors at Ledges State Park. This historic park is perfect for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts looking for an escapade. The park boasts a 4-mile trail system that winds through steep slopes, sandstone ledges, and jaw-dropping views of the Des Moines River. Make sure to venture to Lost Lake and its interpretive trail, which is fully accessible for all. For a closer look at lichen, check out the interpretive trail near Oakwoods Shelter. You might spot some of those small plant-like creatures growing on several trees and rocks. Don't forget to bring your magnifying glass. Camping under the stars? Ledges State Park offers newly renovated campsites, complete with modern restrooms, showers, and playgrounds right inside the campground. For the brave and daring, there are primitive hike-in options as well. 6. Lewis and Clark State Park. Next up, we have Lewis and Clark State Park. This picturesque park brings history to life as it was once an essential pit stop for the Lewis and Clark expedition back in 1804. Before you set out for your day in the park, be sure to stop by the visitor center. Here you'll be transported back in time to learn about the area's role in the famous expedition. You'll enjoy an unforgettable experience of what it was like to cross the lake back in the days. If you're up for some outdoor activities, you're in the right place. Whether it's hiking through the trails, boating or fishing on Blue Lake, or camping under the stars, you'll be sure to find something fun to do here. 5. MAQUOKETA Cave State Park. MAQUOKETA Cave State Park is a hidden gem in Iowa that you've been searching for. With more caves than any other state park in Iowa, towering bluffs, geologic formations, and forests teeming with natural beauty, MAQUOKETA Cave State Park is a wonderland waiting to be explored. History buffs will also appreciate this park's rich history. It's been a popular spot for hikers and picnickers since the 1860s. So put on your hiking shoes and grab a flashlight to explore the 1,100-foot Dance Hall Cave or any of the other 13 caves throughout the park. Some can be explored on foot, while the adventurous might be ready for some serious spelunking. But the adventure doesn't stop there. MAQUOKETA Cave State Park boasts plenty of scenic views to take in along the way, including the 50-foot tall natural bridge standing above Raccoon Creek and the impressive 17-ton balanced rock. With a 6-mile trail system winding through this natural wonderland, you'll have endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. 4. Palisades-KEPLER State Park. Craving an outdoor escape near Cedar Rapids? Look no further than Palisades-KEPLER State Park. This stunning and historic site offers dramatic river bluffs, steep ravines, majestic trees, and abundant wildlife that will take your breath away. But what can you do in this outdoor paradise? Plenty! Hike through diverse wildlife and forest habitats on 5 miles of trails, or fish for natural catfish, bass, and walleye in the nearby Cedar River. And if you want to stay overnight, you can choose from one of 4 cozy cabins or the campground with electrical hookups and modern shower facilities. Plus, the park has 2 open picnic shelters available for reservation on its website. Whether you're looking for a quick day trip or a weekend getaway, Palisades-KEPLER State Park is an excellent destination that won't disappoint. 3. Pikes Peak. Get your hiking shoes and your camera ready, because Pikes Peak State Park is where you'll want to be. This National Scenic Byway has over 11 miles of trails that will take you through valleys, up majestic bluffs, and offer breathtaking views of McGregor and the Mississippi River. But it doesn't stop there, folks. Keep your eyes peeled for fossil remains that can be found along the trails, like brachiopods, gastropods, and cephalopods. And if history is more your thing, check out Effigy Mounds National Monument just 7 miles north of Pikes Peak. Over 200 mounds built by Native Americans from the woodland culture, including the Bear Mound effigy, will give you a glimpse of Iowa's past. 2. Rock Creek State Park. Unwind, relax, and indulge in an Iowa weekend getaway you'll never forget. At Rock Creek State Park, discover breathtaking natural vistas, immerse yourself in some of the most exciting outdoor activities, and take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. With almost 200 diverse and picturesque campsites, Rock Creek State Park is a perfect destination for all outdoor enthusiasts. You can enjoy a range of year-round activities, including horseback riding, fishing, boating, paddling, and more. Whether you're a fishing enthusiast or a casual angler, Rock Creek Lake is the perfect fishing spot. With species like crappie, bluegill, largemouth bass, walleye, channel catfish, and big carp, you can fish to your heart's content. With motorboats being operated at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, you can leisurely cruise around the crystal clear waters of the lake. 1. WILDCAT Den State Park. Lastly, if you're looking to get your nature fix while diving into Iowa's past, don't miss out on WILDCAT Den State Park. This stunning oasis in Muscatine has breathtaking views you won't find anywhere else in Iowa. With a variety of trails that will take you through sandstone bluffs, there's no shortage of outdoor beauty to explore. And the history buffs in the group will love Pine Creek Grist Mill, one of the oldest working mills between the Mississippi River and the Rocky Mountains. And of course, you have to check out Steamboat Rock and Devil's Punch Bowl, 2 natural formations that are simply mesmerizing. Best observed during summer and fall when colors illuminate their surroundings, these hotspots are a must-see for any outdoor adventurer. Thanks for joining us on our adventure in Iowa's state parks. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to hit the trails and explore the sights and sounds of this amazing state. From the stunning views at WILDCAT Den to the tranquil beauty of Pikes Peak, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of everything Iowa has to offer. We had a blast making this video, and we hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more like this.